Today we'll talk about how can you enable public accounts on your eToro app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. And all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then all you have to do now, just go down, you click here on privacy, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to public account, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here public account enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you I get it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.